If you're tired of dealing with flimsy, unreliable iPhone charging cables, this 2-pack of MFi-certified 3-foot cables offers a smart solution. Whether you need a replacement or an extra cord for your home, office, or travel bag, these cables deliver consistent performance and peace of mind. Each cable is MFi certified, meaning it contains a unique, verified serial number and an Apple-issued authorization chip. This certification guarantees 100% compatibility with any Lightning device, so you won't have to worry about connection errors or device damage. Durability is a standout feature here. The cables are wrapped in tightly woven nylon braided thread, designed to resist wear and tear. Reinforced stress points extend the lifespan to over 10,000 bends, making these cables far more robust than typical iPhone chargers on the market. Tired of cables that tangle and knot? These cords stay organized and easy to manage, thanks to their thoughtful design. No more frustrating moments entangling cables before you can charge your device or transfer data. Speaking of charging, these cables support fast charging and data transfer simultaneously. They deliver nearly twice the output of standard 2.4A cables, saving you valuable time when powering up your iPhone or syncing files. Compatibility is comprehensive. These cables work with a wide range of Apple devices, including iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone XR, iPhone X, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 7, iPhone 6 series, iPhone 5 series, iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPad mini, and iPod Touch 5th generation. Each cable is regularly updated to match the latest iPhone system updates. The connector type is USB Type-A, making it easy to plug into most power adapters, laptops, and car chargers. This versatility means you can use these cables practically anywhere without needing special adapters. One satisfied user shared that the cable worked perfectly for CarPlay in their vehicle, highlighting the ideal length and reliable connection. While the charging speed wasn't super fast, it met expectations for daily use and offered great value for the price. What you get with this 2-pack is more than just cables, it's convenience and durability wrapped into one. Having extra cords ready means you're never caught off guard when your phone needs a quick charge, whether at your desk or on the go. If you value cables that won't wear out quickly or tangle into a mess, these braided nylon cords are worth a look. Their reinforced build and MFi certification make them a trustworthy choice for anyone serious about protecting their Apple devices. Fast charge capability means less downtime. You can spend more time using your phone and less time waiting for it to power up. Plus, simultaneous data transfer keeps your files synced without interrupting your charging routine. These cables are also a great fit for families or professionals who juggle multiple devices. The assorted lengths provide flexibility, so you can choose the right cable for your space, whether it's your nightstand, car, or office. The MFi certification is a key factor here. It's Apple's official stamp of approval that ensures safety and compatibility. Avoid cheap, uncertified cables that might harm your device or deliver inconsistent performance. With reinforced stress points and a braided exterior, these cables handle daily use with ease. Whether you're plugging and unplugging frequently or tossing them in a bag, they're built to last without fraying or breaking. The USB Type-A connector remains a standard for many devices, making these cables easy to use with existing chargers and power sources. No need to invest in new adapters or accessories to get started. The customer review from the United States confirms the product's reliability in real-world conditions. While the charging speed was moderate, the cable's length and durability made it a practical choice for everyday use. If you're looking for a dependable, durable, and certified iPhone charging cable set, this 2-pack covers all the bases. It's a simple upgrade that makes a noticeable difference in your charging experience. Try these cables when you're ready to replace worn-out cords or add a reliable backup. Their MFi certification and reinforced design give you confidence that your devices are protected and charged efficiently. Investing in these cables means fewer interruptions, less frustration, and a better way to keep your Apple devices powered. Worth a look if you want dependable performance without the guesswork.